Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today, me and my granny eating Goons Chinese food.
Yes, and we're being bad. We can't wait till we get home, okay? We're eating in the car. Gotta eat them while they hot, baby. I like that.
I rated it 10 out of 10 because the cream inside is like so good, right?
Crab and cream.
Crab and cream. So good.
Oh, good.
So now, we're going home, but I'm still eating.
No, I have to stop somewhere else. We out here, baby.
It's so good. Right now, we're eating. That's like so delicious. I love carrot greens. Sweet and sour sauce is good.
Want another one?
No, it's okay. Looks good. But
Lit up.
now I'll make another video when I get home. Like and subscribe, comment, and share. Comment, subscribe, like, and comment down below. And I hope you have a great day. Comment down below and when is your last day of school. But have a good day, y'all.